people, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are making lip gloss. If you read the title, first ingredient we're going to be needing petroleum jelly. I'm using the baby one just because they usually make things for baby that's gentle on their skin, and because it's our lips, I thought why not use the baby version instead. So that's the reason why I chose this one over the original. Number 2, you're going to need a mixing bowl, and 3, you're going to be needing a spoon or a mixing tool, and 4, I am using this extra virgin coconut oil. So you can choose whatever oil you want to use. This is just what I have on hand. And then the 4th one, which is the twist, I'm going to be using some of this lipstick that I have. It's a matte lipstick. I'm going to be adding it in for color, and you're going to also need a syringe. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to be needing to do, guys, is to add some of, I'm going to be doing like a scoop, but this scoop was a little bit small, so that's the reason why I added some more, because I'm just making this for myself. So I didn't put on any gloves or anything because it's for my own personal use. It's not for sale. Then we're going to go ahead and pop that in the microwave for a minute. I actually let mine sit for a minute and a half just because at a minute it wasn't fully melted, so I just popped it in off camera for another 30 seconds. Once that's done, you're gonna mix, make sure everything is melted, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some of that coconut oil that I showed you earlier to the mixture. Now, once your coconut oil is added, you're going to go ahead again and just mix everything together. And then after I did that, I took the syringe and I took out some of the matte lipstick, and I poured it into my mixture or my batch. And I just basically played with it. I mixed it until I was satisfied with the overall consistency. I wasn't satisfied here, so what I did, I used the syringe to pull up some of that product from out the bowl, and then I just squeezed it back into the bowl so that I could get the color looking more creamier than what it was looking right here. So this is what I did. Yeah, that's me doing it. And then after I was satisfied with how it was looking, I basically went ahead and did a swatch on the back of my hand, and I'm going to show you guys in a second what that looks like. So that's the swatch. I mean, the color isn't showing, so I decided to put it on my lips to show you guys. So this is my lips with the gloss only. And then this is my lips with the lipstick plus the gloss on top of it. Pow! How we looking? Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe.